just a moment. Okay, now you put that in. Okay. I don't want to pull your beard. Take a deep breath in. And keep your teeth together. Yep. There it is, right there. You feel that one all the way down? There, sorry. Get caught up in your beard there. There. Good. A lot of people think you're... There. That's it. Boy, that's moving good. Got one more right here. Yep. Okay. Yeah, just relax your hands on your tummy. And you're going to feel me grabbing your leg here and just keep breathing. Oh yeah, I should have felt that all the way up to your back, did you? Good. Can't let this one go. There you go.
For me. All the way out. Beautiful. You okay? Let's have this side up for me. Facing this way. Deep breath for me. Oh yeah. Don't even wait for me. Perfect. Same thing, other side. Deep breath for me. Oh, nice. That was ready to go. Go face up for me. You haven't got any headaches after the accident, did you?
For like 2 days, I had a bit of a headache, but I think it was.
That was locked up. Let's go.
Okay, relax right there. Let's have your arms right in here. You're gonna interlock your fingers right there. Right in here, elbows together. I want you to look up for me. Take a deep breath out, in, completely exhale, and relax. Very good. Okay, good.
Try not to move, Barry.
Try not to move. Okay.
You're alright?
Oh, that leg is. Oh, I can't.
That leg's.
Oh shit, that leg's sore. Oh yeah, it's right down there.
Alright.
Right the way down.
Alright. Let's turn you around. I can do this from the point down.
Oh, okay.
And it's compressing it. What about in there?
Yeah, it hurts a bit.
Barry, I want you to just try and relax there. Give this a little push in a minute. It's pretty good.
Feeling a bit better, Jamie.
The thing to notice here is when he comes back, so he's still throwing the leg out a little bit to the side, but not like he was before. Stand up for us?
Yep.
Well, that was good straight away.
Yeah.
Straight underneath his body.
Yeah.
That's the main thing. Oh, that's good, Barry. Have a
Yeah.
seat.
再放松多一点点，不会跌倒了，放心，对，很好，就是这样子。这个肩膀放松，给我往前推一点点哦，我会放一个压力进来，好不好？OK， 好，很好 ，OK， 好，你先在这里躺一下之前，再往后移一点点。好，今天的矫正是这样子，你先躺，中间的这个点哪一个会比较痛？边。好，你手放下来，给我看一下脸哦。可以吗？你要我继续吗？还是不行？
试一下。
好，
你忍痛一下子哈，安迪。
你要完全放松，然后就比较容易好。是我的脚这样放下来，你会痛吗？OK， 肩膀完全放掉，好，没有意识了。OK， 你刚才做的已经很好了，但是我还需要你再放松多一点点。好，我们再玩多一次。OK， 我会把你的肩膀再往下拉一点点。OK， 你下面身体要放松一点，往前放，再多一点，再放松，很好，对，就是这样子。OK， 不会跌倒，放心。先把这个往上推一点点。可以压一下这里，好。OK， 好，然后慢慢起来。先躺在你的背那一边先。好，过来，我看你把本子放在这里。开始进来比的时候，几乎已经是没有了啊。那个关节的活动已经是跟之前比已经灵活很多了，它还会再继续的复原，那肿也有减少了，所以我不会今年不会 adjust 这个部分了，因为它还在继续的 improve 着。
Better every time.
Just like that. That was smoother today, though.
Yeah, it didn't feel like.
See, you didn't slip at all through your pins. You were in there tight enough, you didn't slip.
True.
Okay, I got you. Drop it. I got one more. There it is.
Oh, that was like 4 more.
Yep. There you go. Just went for myself. There we go. So if any of you guys out there watching can clone me, come on down to Houston. There we go. Be nice to have a clone, and I could. Okay. Yes, ma'am. There we go. Okay, let's just relax your legs here now. That's not it. There it is. That's it. Had to double dip on that one. You feel that second one more?
Mm-hmm.
There. You're a little bit tight down there today.
I know.
Okay, let me pull your leg here.
Okay.
Can't get out here every time you pull your leg. Just relax this. There you go. You feel that in your knee and your back?
Yeah.
Or just your knee?
No,
Mostly
I
your
think
knee?
my back.
Okay, good. There we go. Okay, let's sit you up and face that way, please.
All right. And the pain that I.
That's it. Perfect. Good job. Now, she didn't even look at that. She wasn't scared a bit. Alright. Perfect. Yes, sir. Good job. Have you been adjusted before? There you go. Good job. Mm-hmm. Got it like this. I do. Okay, let me get your neck here. So I'm actually going to adjust your knees to stabilize those. See how that knee still has that play? That's from all those sharp cuts you make all the time. Okay, so I'm just going to do some stretch on this hamstring here. Go ahead and push against me. Exhale. Now inhale.
And how many treatments have you had with you already?
Just the one.
Just the one. Okay. Good, nice.
That was better than yesterday.
You okay? Yeah, this one right here. Still really bad on the right. Good, nice.
It's funny because I was mentioning how my neck was stiff, and that's exactly where it was stiff, was in that area right there.
Yeah, I can feel it when I'm touching it. Okay. Good. See all this right here. I want to do it up here, but we're going to keep conservative on her. Good, nice.
Close for me. Keep your teeth together. Take a real deep breath through your nose. Let all of your air out and relax. There we go. Did you feel that all the way down to the base of your spine?
Oh, yes.
Okay, good. See?
Oh.
The bigger they are, they still adjust. There we go. This decompression adjustment is what allows me to take off that weight-bearing compressive stress on the disc and the joint and the nerves. So that's going to feel a ton better.
Oh.
Now, just relax your head in my hand. There we go. It's vertebrae about as big. Now I'm going to work all the way up. Yeah, okay. Just keep breathing for me. Okay. My feet are about leaving the ground, Alberto.
Mm-hmm.
There we go. There we go. Okay, just keep exhaling. There we go. Now, just let your leg relax and let me do the heavy lifting. Now, you should have felt that from your knee all the way up to your low back, did you?
Yes.
Okay. Same thing here. Keep breathing. There we go. Same thing there?
Yes, sir.
Feel that in your knee and your back? Okay, good. Let's sit you up and face out the window there, sideways. Get up sideways.